In this guide, we will explore the 2025 ACURA Integra Fuse Box diagram and its location through a series of questions. Where is the fuse box located in the 2025 ACURA Integra? How can you identify the different fuses in the diagram? Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2025 ACURA Integra houses essential fuses and relays that protect key electrical systems like the engine, headlights, and cooling fans. It is typically located near the battery for easy access. Interior fuse box. The interior fuse box in the 2025 ACURA Integra controls electrical components inside the cabin, such as lights, infotainment, and power windows. It is usually located under the dashboard or near the driver's side footwell.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.